Meron na ba ang ano? Yeah, meron na. So, magandang hapon guys. Ngayong December 3, 2020, live charting ulit tayo ng Bitcoin, altcoins, at kung may iba pang chart request. So, ang gagamitin ko muna ngayon is the monthly time frame, and then after the monthly time frame, puntahan na maybe 3 hours using the candlestick. But for higher time frame, daily at saka monthly, ang gagamitin ko ay ang Renko chart. Mas madali kasi siyang intindihin in my opinion. So, ito, ang bawat Renko bar is 2,941.14. Parang bumaba siya. Kasi nasulat ko nung nakaraan eh. So, let me check. $2,953 nung nakaraan. So, medyo bumaba siya. Possibly signaling a downtrend. Wait nga. So, December 3. 2 p.m. 2,941.14. So, ang low nito is 17,646 R2, R1, S1, S2. So, since trading tayo ngayon at 18,000 or 19,000, ang immediate support na tinitignan ko is itong blue dotted line na to, which is 17,646.84 on a monthly time frame. And then, of course, yung immediate resistance natin is add lang tayo ng 2,941.14 sa 17,646.84. So, ito siya. 17,646.84 plus 2,941.14 equals, ang tinitingnan kong resistance is the 20,587 or around the 1,500 area. Breakout to that level, mag-add lang ulit tayo ng additional plus 2,941.14. So possibly 23,529.12. So around the 23,500 area. So yun, I think hanggang dun muna tayo sa resistance 2. Kung sakali mang ma-break niya yun, mag-add lang tayo ng 2,000, around 2,900 dollars. Kung mag-breakdown pa naman siya, kung sakali mang mag 646.84, possibly 17,646.84 minus 2,941.14, that's 14,000, baba na din nun, 14,705 area. Using this Renko chart, using the monthly time frame. So yan yung 20,500, and then the next one is 21,000. I mean 23,500 if ever, 23,500. So yan yung mga resistance na tinitignan ko and support areas. So yung month of November is actually medyo maganda yung returns niya. It's up by around 42%. So kung sakali man natin yung range for this month, which is 42.959. So I'll mag-add lang tayo dito ng possible of 42.49. 42%. So, siguro anyan. Yan na lang. So, possibly 28,000 kung sakaling mang mag-continue yung last month's or November's trend dito ngayong December. So, let's see. Pero on a negative note, titingnan natin mamaya itong CMC futures kasi meron siyang gap. So, which meron din akong nakaabang lang na posting dun sa 17,000 na yun. Just in case na i-fail niya yung gap na yun. Wings, ay balik ulit tayo dito. Possibly that area. So, I think yan na lang muna yung gagamitin natin. Simple lang siya. So, actually, meron akong, di ba nakabili ako last time sa 18,000, nag 19,200, which is na-stop out ako kanina. Kasi bumaba siya. So, anyway, sinusulat ko, may notebook ako para natitignan ko siya. So, on monthly time frame to. Monthly TF. So ngayon, puntahan na natin yung daily time frame. Gagamitin pa ko, and then after that, yung lower time frame, yun yung gagamitin natin is the candlestick para makita natin yung gap. Kasi pag run ko kasi, wala kang makikitang gaps dyan. At saka ito, fixed size yung bawat run ko bar. So, para siyang actually Lego na mag-add ka lang kapag na-meet niya yung size. Kapag hindi niya na-meet, it's possibly weak. Ayan. Saglit lang. So, wait lang guys So, sa daily time frame naman, kung napanood nyo yung dati kong video, actually same lang din naman yung aking analysis sa Bitcoin. Gamit ang Renko chart. So, it's actually a triangle and then nag-breakout siya. Oh, wait lang ah. Kapag triangle pattern, mini-measure lang naman natin yung height. And yung height ng Bitcoin na to is ilalagay natin siya at breakout. So, copy lang natin siya and then paste. Oh. And then, eto na yung target natin sa Bitcoin. Possible target. Ay, yung tagal. Oh. So, eto, around this area or close to $28,000. So, yan yung possible target natin sa BTC. And then since etong blue dotted line here, which is 19,650, yan yung resistance sa ngayon using the daily time frame. So, R2, R1, S1, and S2. So, the resistance or the immediate resistance I'm looking at sa daily time frame is the 19,650 area. At this area, yung low ng Renko bar na to, which is $18,558. Kung mag-breakdown pa siya dyan sa 18,000, possibly the 17,467. 17,467. Breakout to this 19,650, mag-add lang tayo ng saan yung calculator ko? Kasi ang bawat Renko o bar using the daily time frame ay 1,091.69. 1,091.60. What? 1,091.69. So, wait lang, dyan natin gagamitin. So, 19,650 plus 1,969. So, that's 20,741. 20,741 kung sakali mang mag-breakout siya sa 19,650. Ano na ba ngayon? Currently, Thursday na pala ngayon. Friday na pala bukas. So, normally kasi during weekends. Okay. Kapag weekends kasi hindi siya ganun ka-rewarding in my opinion. Unless na lang talaga is nagkaroon siya talaga ng sobrang pump or sobrang dump. Doon ako pumapasok. So, yan ang tinitignan ko sa BTC. And then, puntahan natin yung CMC chart kasi meron siyang gap on C. Yan. Kunin ko lang itong notebook ko. So, puntahan natin siya. Wait lang small ko lang siya. Ito, BTC, ano ba yan? BTC1, tapos, yan, may D sa dulo. So, ang gagamitin natin, of course, is the candlestick para makita natin yung gap. Pero hindi yung daily. Gagamitin natin yung 3 hours time frame. Delete ko lang tong mga ano ba to? Tong fib at saka yung ibang arrow natin. So, but delete, and this one is also deleted. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong malaking gap dito. And the high of this is 16,995. So yung gap is, to fill that gap is, dapat kalimang bumagsak ang BTC. Normally kasi when it comes to gaps, ang laging merong gap is si CMC. So maganda din siyang tignan, especially kapag, yun nga, more on gap trade tayo. So si CMC ang magandang tignan doon. So anyway, so yun ang tinitingnan, possible strong support at that gap, which is the 17,000, more or less. 16,995 kasi yung high. So $5 na lang. And of course, kung sakali mang magtuloy-tuloy siya, since, di ko ba na-charge? Masyadong nasaksak. Kung magtuloy-tuloy naman yung uptrend, which is this area, possibly i-hit ulit yung resistance natin around 20,170 using the CMC gaps. I mean the CMC futures or exchange. So different exchanges have different prices kasi dito hindi pa siya umabot na siya. Nag-high siya as high as $20,360. Wow, ang taas na pala sa kanya. Kay CMC. So let's see how it goes. You know, this is a support trend line. So actually medyo at critical level siya sa ngayon. Kasi nasa support siya. Kapag mag-breakdown siya dyan, possibly this area. Around 18,800 levels. So, breakdown to that 18,800, syempre, possibly will fill the gap hanggang sa 17,000 area. So, yun. Na very critical. Tapos, Friday na bukas, di ba? So, yun. Meron akong nakaabang dito sa 17,000 kung sakali man. Since na-stop out na rin naman ako. Na-stop out talaga. Na-stop out ako at again. Kasi 18,800 yung aking entry price. So, let's see. Wait, check natin tong divergence indicator. Naku, pababa si divergence indicator. Lagyan ko lang tong si CMC. I mean divergence indicator. Nagano na siya, breakdown siya sa trend line na to. Baka tumuloy-tuloy to tapos Friday pa bukas. Yun. Let's see. Anyway, abangan ko na lang siya kung sakali man sa 17,000 area. So, yun lang sa akin kay BTC. And, yeah, let's see. Breakdown kasi siya using that CMC chart. Anyway, check ko to. Pero, CMC yung medyo pinakamataas eh. Pero dito, tingnan mo naman, hindi naman siya nag-breakdown. Tingin ko lang Okay, wait, check. Lagyan natin ng trend line kung nag-breakdown siya dyan or hindi. At wala. Halos mag-breakdown siya pero mukhang umaakyat na rin naman siya. So, let's see. Possibly nasa support area na rin naman siya. Using this one. 18,700 and resistance at 19,700 sa 3 hours time frame. So, depende kung paano kayo mag-trade. But usually, kapag siswing ako and scalp, normally ginagamit ko is this time frame, 3 hours or 30 minutes. So, dati kasi nag-1 minute pa ako eh. Yan kasi medyo nadagdagan yung naging busy-busy. Medyo longer time frame na yung ginagamit ko. So, let's see. Let's check lang yung possible risk reward from this area. So, napansin nyo, yung ginagamit kong support and resistance is the body of the candle. Kung sakali mang gumagamit ako ng candlestick. So, that's a possible risk-reward ratio of 2.32. Posible akong kumita ng 3.90% times 100. So, that's around 390% since gumagamit ako ng 100 times leverage. And kung mas top out man ako sa 18,700 area, posible akong malugi ng 1.68% or 168%. So, let's see. Ito naman mukha na siyang mukha na siyang nag-hold at that area. So, kung napansin nyo, dun ko rin nilalagay sa baba ng body ng bawat ng dalawang candle na to, yung support area ko. So, let's see. Tinitignan ko kanina yung volume, medyo hindi siya ganun kataas versus the previous days. So, kaya naglagay din ako talaga sa 17,000. So, abang ako dito sa area na to. Kung sakali man. So, let's see. Now, let's move on sa BTC dominance. Wala pala akong alert. Meron ba akong alert? 18,000, yeah. At that area din naman yung aking alert. So, on ko lang. Kasi currently trading at 18,909 or 19,000. So, at least abang ako dyan kung sakali man. Mag-a-alert na lang siya sa akin. So, now let's move on sa BTC dominance. Actually, halos same lang din naman yung analysis ko dito sa BTC dominance. Pero gagamitin ko na lang dito is yung Renko chart using the daily time frame. We have the 3 gaps here. Pero yung first gap has already been 74 area and 97 area is not yet filled at as of this time, December 3, 2020. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, it's an up. Oy, but parang nagano. Wait lang I-ano natin. Parang nag-adjust siya. Or ayusin lang natin tong chart na to. Or yung parallel channel natin. So, eto siya. Currently trending higher or in an upward channel. And the Renko bar is currently bullish. Yung last Renko bar. However, kung makikita nyo yung blue dotted line, which is 64.13, that's the immediate resistance I'm looking at. Breakout to that level could possibly retest the previous high, which is around the 67 area. And of course, the support I'm looking at is the 61.73%. So, yung area na yan. So, siguro, kung sakali mang magtuloy-tuloy yung uptrend or institutional buying o continued pagbili nila ng Bitcoin, possibly it can fill the next gap which is around close to 74%. So, let's see. December kasi more or less is bullish para sa akin, in my opinion. November, December, and January. So, check natin kung by this time is bullish rin siya. Next na chart na i-analyze natin is Ethereum, and then after that is XRP. Siguro yun lang tatlo. Yung mga major lang. Down na pala yung LTC. Area, $600, and then buyback ako. So, yun. So, actually with that trade, it's more than good enough na rin for this week. More than good enough talaga eh. Yeah. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ginamit ko dito is the daily Renko chart. And currently at or object resistance. The previous resistance now becomes the support area. So, andito lang siya nag-trade sa 6 or 600 plus or close to 600 area. Nako, na-delete ko na. Ito yung di-delete ko eh. Yung ibang trend line. I think ginamit ko ito sa 3 hours time frame. Kasi meron siyang violet eh. Normally ginagamit ko yan sa mga support. The 500, what's the low of this? $580. Breakdown to that 580 could possibly retest this area, which is around, the high of this is around 538 area. So now, puntahan natin, and long-term target ko is close to 2,000. Puntahan natin yung candlestick and 3 hours time frame. And then, delete ko siya. Delete ko lang siya. Dami kasing lines eh. Kasi using whatever chart is available. Whatever chart talaga eh. So, check. Check natin to. Pataas na rin naman yung divergence. Yun o. Meron siyang dito sa area na to, ito kasi, divergence indicator ay pababa. Pero umaakyat na siya. Samantalang yung price is tumataas. So, possibly a hidden bullish forming. So, syempre, pag nag-i-scalp lang ako gamit tong candles na to, that area, and then saan ba yung immediate? Ito, previous na yan. And then, of course, yung stop out level ko or stop loss around the body of this previous ones. So, that's a possible risk-reward ratio of 3.93. Meron siyang possible hidden bullish divergence at posible akong kumita ng 5.44%. Normally, gumagamit ako ng cross leverage, which is 100 times leverage. So, times ko lang siya ng 500 kung sakaling ma-hit yung TP area ko around 623 area. Kapag nag-stop out ako sa 583, syempre malulugi naman ako ng 1.08% since gumagamit ako ng 100 times leverage. So, I think naman is nag-ano na siya eh. Seems like paakyat na. Lang kasi Friday bukas and then weekends. So, medyo ako doon. Kapag Friday and weekends. Kasi kapag nag-breakdown siya sa level na yan, possibly this area. Of course, the 500 area kung sakali. So, let's see. Siyempre, antayin natin na ma-invalidate ito bago tayo magkaroon ng short kung sakali man. So, since sa ngayon, wala pa naman. Ito. Actually, dito sa area na to, ano na siya eh. Dito siya sa area na to nagkaroon ng bearish divergence. So, kapag divergence, magkaiba yung direction ng price sa indicator. So, dito. So, nakita nyo. And maliban dyan, nagkaroon siya ng doji and then bullish candle. Sa body pa lang ng candle na to after the doji, nahirapan na siyang breakout. So, yung sellers na yung nag-take over after nun. So, ganun lang siya. So, maganda rin actually magbasa-basa ng mga charts, ng mga candlestick. And apply it to your own personal trades. So, I think that's it for Ethereum. Actually, nakabili ako sa 500. What's that? Um, 590 area. Close ko sa 600 and then nagrilong ako sa 590 area. Wala naman masyado. Check ko lang. So, yon. Now, let's move on sa last, which is XRP. So, kanina, actually, bumili ulit ako ng additional XRP. Though, meron din yung XRP sa Coins.ph. So, possibly refer ko siya sa Bitsy exchange. Anyway, meron siyang meron siyang Spark airdrop, pero yung exchanges is selected exchanges lang siya. So, token distribution yan eh. So, eto siya. Puntahan natin yung exchanges home. Ay, nako. Interrupted. Wait lang. I-refresh lang natin. Ay, wala na. Ayan. Kasi makikita natin dyan yung mga participating exchanges. So, check nyo na lang kung yung XRP nyo is kasama sa mga yan. Else, i-transfer nyo na lang sa mga participating exchanges. For local virtual currency exchange like Coins.ph, normally hindi sila nakakasali sa mga airdrops. Dito pala. So, puntahan natin yung supporting exchanges. So, ito. So, ito yung mga supporting exchanges for that airdrop. So, check nyo na lang kung kasama dito yung exchange nyo at the moment. Else, kung hindi, yan yung Bitsy. So, kung hindi, transfer nyo na lang siya sa mga exchanges na to. So, flare.xyz/supporting-exchanges. So, madami din namang exchanges na supported eh. So, ang i-airdrop nila around 45 billion Spark. And then yung for 25 billion at saka I think 30 billion is sa mismong Flare. Flare Networks, and Flare Foundation. So, yun. Actually, isa sa mga reasons kung bakit ko binibili si XRP. And of course, aside from that is nakikita ko mas rewarding yung kanyang possible returns. So, which is 651 kung sakali mang ma-hit yung target area ko na $3.70. Medyo mataas na. But I think, kung mag-all-time high yung BTC, syempre, yung possible returns niyan, XRP. So, yan. So, ito na lang yung gamitin natin. Halos same pa rin naman eh. Masyadong nag-trade ng futures niyan eh. So, yun. Currently at 61 cents. Nakita nyo yung blue dotted line, which is 67 cents. So, yan yung resistance na tinitignan ko. Breakout to that area could possibly retest the 76 cents. Then, actually, it's a double top sa area na yan. So, tignan natin kung for the third time is mag-breakout na siya dyan or mag-pull back ulit. A breakout to that 76 area could possibly retest the 95 cents and then possibly $1.18. Strong zone I'm looking at is this area, which is the low of this is ang low nito is 52 cents. So, palitan natin to ng 52 cents. Nag-ano kasi siya, since may mga additional data, nag-ano din siya, nag-adjust din siya. Yung support and resistance niya. So, let's see. So, anyway, check natin lang yung candlestick and then 3 hours. And then divergence indicator. So, let's see. It's actually a convergence with the indicator. Itong pero mukhang nagko-consolidate kasi siya sa area na to eh. So, breakout to that area could possibly retest this area, which is the 66 cents to possibly this area of around 74 cents. Pero convergence naman siya with the indicator, so most likely it could possibly aakyat. Kailan pala yung airdrop? Airdrop is next week. Yung snapshot, December 12, 00 UTC. Or around 8 AM sa atin yun. So, I think that's it guys. Kung may tanong kayo, just feel free to ask. Else, I will end this stream. Oh, napumunta na siya dyan. So, yun lang guys. Happy trading everyone. Happy trading guys. Salamat sa see you. Kita-kits na lang bukas. Kita-kits ulit bukas. Mga major lang yung diniscuss ko ngayon kasi Normally, yan lang naman yung tinitignan ko. LTC din pala tinitignan ko. So, yon. Kasi medyo okay na. Ako kasi okay na yung trade ko sa ngayon. Ngayong week pala, nakapag-close na ako ng actually at 2 positions lang. BTC and Ethereum, and then nag-relong din ako. And the profit or the realized profit dun is more than enough. More than enough. So I think that's it. See you again next time. Try kong, kasi ang naka-schedule is at 10 a.m. but I think ita-try ko na 2 p.m. na lang siya. Para at least, yung English kasi is 9:30 p.m. Para at least, medyo close lang siya. Para sa work lang. Work lang. Dami, no? So, currently meron akong 2 work ngayon and may mga iba pang et cetera na ginagawa, and then trading. Pero yeah, this month, last month, November, actually I performed well sa trading. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng or ng realized gains ko last month, which is I think na ko na siya. Na snapshot ko na siya. Or na screenshot ko na siya. Nag-screenshot din ako. Ito. Pero yung 2 account ko lang. Pero syempre, kung mapapansin nyo, meron din akong lugi, which is si Chainlink Perpetual at saka si Tesos Perpetual. So, ito yung main account ko. Ito yung mga trades ko. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 different. And even na yun, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 yung wins. And then, madaming trades yan pero so whole month, yeah, realized gains na lahat yan. Yung 8 na yan, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then meron akong 2 losses. And then 1, which is si Litecoin December 25, lang siya. 0, which is a break even lang siya. So, yun. So, 8 over 11. Pero madaming trades siya na. Siyempre, na lang. So, around the 72 or 73% win rates. So, punta natin yung isa. Yung isa naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 7 different markets. Pero ang pinakamalaking profit is perpetual, which is BTC, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So, ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 6 over 7. 6 over 7. So, that's around 85 or 85.71% profitability or win rates. Kasi syempre, ang daming transaction sa loob niyan eh. So, syempre, ang tinitignan ko na lang is the yung Tesos Perpetual na loss na yan. Napakaliit niyan versus my realized gains. But of course, syempre, in trading naman, losses are part of trades. Kahit sino namang trader yan eh. Meron siyang losses sa kanyang portfolio. Well, kung wala siyang loss, ewan ko na lang kung ba't wala siyang loss. Hindi ko alam kung scam yun or whatever. But, siguro, posible naman na all gain siya. Or all gains ang isang trader. Pero, napakaliit na chance na all gains ang isang trader. Siguro kung full-time siya, pwede. Ako kasi madami din akong So, actually, masaya na din ako on that. So, I think that's it, guys. So, tingnan natin by December kung kumusta naman yung performance ko. At saka, syempre, ang pinaka-importante is the whole year. Pero, syempre, na-compute ko na from January to November. Yeah, it's actually, para sa akin is a very spectacular. Wow, spectacular returns talaga. Yan. So, I think that's it, guys. Kung may tanong kayo, just feel free to message me here in TradingView o kaya naman sa aking social media groups or channels. So, thanks, guys, and maging maingat tayo sa pag-trade and of course sa pag-i-invest. Maraming salamat!